it, damn it.
Fuck you. Get the hell out of my way. Oh shit. I am going past the speed limit right now. Shouldn't be yelling at people.
There's some apartment complexes on this road somewhere, and there's like a total crackhead in one of those houses. Man, I'm not kidding. Like, she is very fucked up. Like,
These summit crackheads.
I'm pretty sure you could get meth from her if you wanted to.
I actually know places I could get meth.
What?
Yeah, my friend does it.
Ew.
And plus Cody was like a meth addict, so.
That's gross. That's like a dirty drug.
It's a dirty drug. You do dirty things, these apartments. Where's the light?
Turning.
It won't turn on.
Yay!
Now that I've got the light button in hand, it won't turn on. I guess you have to turn the light button on before you begin recording.
Oh, God damn it.
Goddamn traffic.
Ah, it's cold.
I cannot get to our Blockbuster. You've got like the worst chills right now. Like I'm just like comfortably warm, and you're just like, I'm fucking freezing.
God damn it!
You're gonna kill us. What the hell is this shit?
Because he pulled out.
He What was that, Casey? Would you like to relay this message?
He pulled out, and I liked it. I didn't like it. I'm lying.
There were no babies conceived on that night.
Going to the store. Going to the store.
Gonna get Pineapple Express in a movie about sex. Totally. This video is 2 minutes long. You look kind of intensely retarded.
How about this?
Now you just look blind and intensely retarded and paranoid. I thought you missed it. I was like, there's our turn. Oh, that's lovely. Crash us.
Sorry.
Crash us right away.
Crash us? Is that even a word?
It's 2 words.
They don't go very well together. I disagree.
There's a comma. Oh look, there's employees.
Hey, he has a lighter. Hey!
Lighter! Oh. Do you have a lighter? It's smirking! I'm gonna end this recording.